Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is Pro Photo Frame Mockup. These files are protected password. In this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri, scan buy now in $4.99, and here is my Facebook page. Follow this page. I will provide every video here like a YouTube channel, and here is my Telegram channel Sheri Official. I will provide every link first here. Okay. Now these are PSD file. Open. Here is in layer area you can manage everything. Here is a background, here is a frame shadow color, here is our main design. For example, double click, we need design. Like this one. Drag here. Oh, press Ctrl S, or you can write anything here, and you see our image in frame. Here is a highlight. Same thing here. Here is old design of photo frame, part out big image. Same thing here. Control S. So double click here, open this one, drag here, Control S. You see our image in frame. So you can import one by one. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and follow this Facebook page and download app for password for lifetime. Take care. Allah Hafiz.